stopping by Todd's studio to pick up my 1950s Motel sign. I purchased it on the first day of our event for $3,000. Yesterday, Todd had the sign all pulled apart. Wires were hanging out everywhere. So I'm hoping to find a finished piece today and find out how much this resto is going to cost me. Todd.
Hey, Rick. Good to see you, buddy.
You got some cool stuff in here.
Well, they look like signs and they look like antiques, and they're not antiques and they're not signs. This is my art, so I make these from scratch.
Okay, well, I absolutely love it.
But my new popular piece is right behind you here, and I can't wait to show it to you.
I love it.
So, ta-da!
It's got horror flick written all over it.
You rung me out. I was here till midnight last night working on this thing, but we got it working. So it's perfect. It's fully lit.
Okay.
So you have the choice. You can do this, or you can do super horror. You would not stop at this motel if you're driving. You know,
no.
Someone's gonna get stabbed at this motel.
I think it's absolutely amazing.
Well, thank you.
I'd almost hang it in my house, but I'm afraid if I brought a date over, it might creep her out at first. I absolutely love the blue.
I polished it, I cleaned it. Everything's clean, everything's new.
Okay, so I paid $3,000 for the sign.
Yep.
And how much was the neon?
It was $2,500.
So I'm in it like $5,500.
Yeah.
What do you think I can get out of it?
I would start at 12, you know, like honestly. It's a really great piece.
So let's go get the crate for this thing and get it packed up.
Okay, yeah, let's go.